guys, I am currently 6 weeks postpartum, so I'm still very much in the newborn trenches, and I knew the only way that I was gonna get any type of movement in is if I brought it to my house. In this video, I will be sharing my postpartum workout routine. Everyone's recovery is different, but here is the workout that's been working for me. I am going to be starting off with a barbell box squat, and I am going to be doing this with no weight just because I'm 6 weeks postpartum, so I'm just getting back into lifting again, and I really just want to get used to that range of motion. Now after that, I'm going to be doing a single leg press. I really like single leg variations, whether it's lunges or leg press or step ups, just because it really helps with your overall stability. And then I am doing DB RDLs and just focusing on the hip hinge in this movement. For my last leg exercise, I'm just doing a dumbbell static lunge, and then it is time to get into some core movements. That is it for my workout today. Right now my new split is 4 days a week of strength training. So I split that up with 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days, and then I'm trying to add in core too because I just want to strengthen my core again. It feels really weak right now. And then I also add in the treadmill, but the treadmill sometimes I do at like a different part of the day. And even if I'm not strength training, I'll come out here and I'll just walk on the treadmill for like 15 minutes if I have a little bit of extra time. And then if I'm doing like a specific treadmill workout, I do try to aim for the 12-3-30, which is basically a 12 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. I just get a really good sweat when I do this. And since I do have a weight loss goal, it's just been very, very helpful for me to burn some extra calories. This is what the treadmill looks like. Some of my first impressions was how easy it was to assemble. I definitely thought it was going to be a lot harder. It's also portable. It has wheels on it if you do need to move it, and it also folds up. So if you are limited on space, don't let that be a reason of why you don't get this treadmill. It also goes up to speed 10 and a 15 incline, which I've been using a lot since my pregnancy. Another really cool feature is the heart rate monitor. So basically, if you put your hands here when the treadmill is in use, it'll measure your heart rate. Also, one other thing I forgot to mention that I really love about the treadmill, they have this app called Zwift, and it's very user-friendly. There's an entire community on there where you can pick different workouts to do, and you can even pick the place. I chose to do mine in New York, and you can even see like the number of users in each place, which is really, really cool. But I just feel like this helps things from getting boring, and you're able to build like your own avatar. I also really like to be able to see the scenery of different places, so I'm not just staring at a garage wall all the time. I am just kind of laying down with my baby right now, but before I close out this video, I did just want to encourage you postpartum moms that you are doing enough and you are doing amazing. I know it can feel super overwhelming to try to accomplish all these different things, and then we end up putting ourselves on the back burner. But I promise, if you just put a little bit of energy to fill your own cup, that is going to overfill into everyone else's, including your baby, including your family. So it doesn't have to be some like long drawn out workout plan either. I feel like a lot of people feel like they have to go in all or nothing, but just start off with like a 10 to 15 minute walk on the treadmill every single day and build up from there. And you will see the results not only in your physical health, but also in your mental health. And it'll just benefit everyone. That is it for this video. I will see you guys later.